I just want to share some quick information about the love life. Okay, many of them think that if I been with that girl or a guy, I'll be so happy. Or if we are being together, I will be so happy. No, what it shows means you are not fulfilled with yourself, right? You are seeking happiness from that girl or guy. You are not fulfilled within you, right? It's totally wrong. If you seek happiness from the other person, from your partner, when they gone, first remember that nothing stays in your life forever. Nothing meant to be stay for your life forever, right? Something meant to teach you some lesson, something help you to guide you your right way, something meant to push forward, and something, only few things are meant to be with you. Okay, if you find that few things that is meant to be with you, you are so lucky. So if you have come across that is meant to support you, that is not meant for you to be in your life forever, that means that thing will not be in your life forever, right? Everything come and goes. If that thing gone, your happiness along with the thing will be gone, right? You will feel incomplete without the things. Okay, it is totally wrong, man. The way of thinking is totally wrong. You should be fulfilled with yourself, man. You should be happy with yourself. You should be comfortable within your own skin. You should feel love within yourself. Then you should you can give love to others. Okay, without having the love and happiness within yourself, how you can think that you can make the partners happy, right? Am I making sense? You, you are not feeling happiness within you, then how you can make and feel happy them? Okay, how you can make your partners happy, right? You don't have that happiness within yourself, then how you can give to others? Okay, you should not expect that happiness from others. Okay, if they are gone, you'll again fall into the same cycle of worrying the thing. Okay, the main thing to do is you should feel comfortable within your skin. Okay, each and everything born in this world are beautiful. The way of thinking and the mentality of people changes the beautiness. Okay, the way they view themselves, even though they are somewhat, let's take I'm not criticizing some people, even though they are less beauty, if they keep their mentality they are beautiful and they are comfortable with their own skin, other people around them will see they as beautiful. Okay, even though you are beautiful, if you see some small pimples or mole in your face, like oh, this pimple makes my face ugly, even though you are beautiful like princess, the people surround you will see you as ugly. Okay, it's all in you. You will say to how the people should view you. Okay, can you understand what I'm saying? You are the one who is saying how the people should view you. If you keep your mentality and keep your mindset as I'm beautiful, each and every people surround you will see you as a beautiful. Okay, if you keep your mindset as ugly, yeah, they will say you are ugly even though you are beautiful. Okay, you should, first of all, you should feel comfortable with your own skin, and you should be happy within yourself. Okay, then seek for the partners. Then you can give that happiness, that overflowing happiness, to the other partners. Okay, don't seek happiness from others. That's what the main thing that I'm coming to say. Please don't seek happiness from others. The best relationship, the key ingredient to make the best relationship is you should be happy within yourself and they should be happy within themselves. When both comes together, it will be a wonderful relationship. If one of them are not happy within themselves or not comfortable within themselves, they fail, the relationship fails. It will not go for a long term, man. It will not go to a commitment, because you can hide your feelings, like I'm rich, I'm happy within myself. As the time goes on, your true feeling will come out, man. You can't hide your feelings for so long. Your true feelings, you can't hide your true feelings for so long, man. At one point of time it will come out. Maybe you can act like I'm happy, I have this, I am doing this, and many stuff going into my life, but some point of time it will come out, man. So instead of masking that true feeling, just work on it. Just see how we can heal that feeling, how we can be comfortable within ourselves, man. Then go and seek for a relationship. You will find the best and better partner you will ever be, and that will be a long time relationship, man. Okay, can you understand? Simple thing. You should be happy within yourself. Follow your passion. Don't care what other people say. You will find a partner, the best partner that was meant for you. Okay. If you're not, you will always get in the shitty relationship, man. You will always end up feeling shit. Yeah, it sucks to get in that. So, happy within yourself means not be feeling comfortable with yourself. Okay. You should be, you should have financial status. Okay. You can tell that money is not important for love, blah 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 blah. At the end of the day, you need to have a house to stay and you need to have a food to eat, right? With love, can you buy the house? With love, can you buy the food? No, you can't. At the end of the day, money is matter too. Okay, both should bring equal money into the table, not co-dependent, man. Both should work equally. That's what makes a good relationship, right? One should not be down and one should not be out. Both should be in equal plane. Then only that makes a good relationship. Then, if not, the relationship will fail. It's that simple, man. Both should be equal. Okay. Search for a relationship when you able to do your thing that you are fond of. If you love to do the thing and you can do the thing without any restriction, like a financial problem or a family situation or independent problem. If you don't have anything and you are happy with yourself, you are ready for love. That what's the only requirement for you to love. Okay, you should be happy within yourself and you should able to do the thing that you enjoy of. Okay, if you don't have money to be happy, then why you need to include another person to struggle with you? Why they need to struggle? Okay, I'm not saying they will come for you for the money. They should be financially independent, you should be financially independent. They should be happy within themselves, you should be happy within themselves. Both come together, makes a good relationship. If one person fails in this, the relationship fails. Both will get affected by it. So choose the people wisely. Many people says beauty is not the beauty is not the requirement for you to love. Okay, be happy within yourself. Whomever you are, whichever age you are fat, skinny, black, white, Latin. It doesn't matter. You should be comfortable and happy within yourself. Then, if you've done that truly within your heart, you are ready for love. You will find the true love sooner as you've done this. Okay. Let me conclude this video by saying all are beautiful in this world. Okay, everybody born in this world are beautiful. So no one is ugly and no one is beautiful. The way the people thinks about themselves changes about them. Okay, if you think you are beautiful, you are princess, man. If you think you are ugly, you yourself think you are ugly, then what can I say? Yeah, you are ugly. Change your mindset. Everybody is beautiful. Okay, you are beautiful. You are worth of love. You deserve the love that you want. Think that. Be happy within yourself. The true love will find you. You no need to work for that, right? The true love, the love that meant for you, the person that is meant for your lifetime, the thing that is meant to stay with you forever will come to you in the fraction of a second. So, be happy always. Try to take good things from the situation and bye.